Here's a simple truth in fashion retail. You can have the most advanced AI in the world, but if a customer doesn't feel good in what you send them, they won't come back. Stitch Fix, which is an AI-driven online fashion service, learned this the hard way. After years of growth, the company struggled. But in 2025 and 2026, they staged a remarkable turnaround. And here's what's interesting. The turnaround wasn't driven solely by replacing human stylists with AI, but something else entirely. Stitch Fix now has an AI style assistant, personalized outfit visualization, Stylist Connect alongside their AI-driven design. This all sounds impressive, but it comes with risk. The company is adding feature after feature. Every time you add a tool, you risk making the service feel more complex and less personal. Worse, if AI visualization shows a great outfit on screen, but it fits terribly in real life, you lose trust. So the question isn't, can Stitch Fix build more AI? The question is, which AI actually helps customers keep more of what they're buying? Here's what I found. First, Stitch Fix's core advantage is not AI alone. It's the fact that they use a hybrid model, machine learning plus generative AI plus human stylists. The company calls this AI plus human connection. This matters because fashion is not a math problem. It's subjective, it's seasonal, and a technically perfect recommendation can still fail if it doesn't feel right. Human stylists provide nuance and trust that algorithms cannot fully replicate. So first, my first major finding is that pure automation fails in fashion where assistance combined with automation succeeds. My second finding is that Stitch Fix's recent business improvements came from better customer experience, not just more AI. What actually improved retention and average order value? Newer styles, greater flexibility, and stronger client-stylist relationships. AI helped with demand forecasting and inventory management, but the emotional connection always comes from humans. This is critical. It means that if Stitch Fix wants to return to 2018 levels of business, it cannot just chase AI features, it has to make customers more confident in every recommendation. For my third finding, Stitch Fix is now using AI for multiple purposes. You can see this just by opening the website. They use it for conversation, visualization, copy generation, design, recommendations. That's a lot of purposes. And if these tools are inconsistent, the service will feel cluttered and not personalized. And the company's own language shows that they're still kind of in a testing phase. They use words like beta, select clients, coming months, which is smart. But it also shows that they haven't really found out what works yet. So for my first recommendation, I would recommend improving style profiling through structured input capture. Currently, customers write free-form notes to their stylist. The language is messy and incomplete and can kind of be incoherent because it's hard for a non-stylist to really communicate what they want without someone who understands what they're trying to say. So my recommendation is that the AI style assistant should ask more structured questions that pertain to stuff like fit tolerance, like what occasion you want to wear the outfits for, lifestyle, just context. More specific questions like that, which it's not currently asking, to get a better idea of the intent so that the recommendations can become better. And for my second recommendation, it's to tie every AI feature to a clear business metric. Don't launch features just because they're cool. Tie them to a return rate, keep rate, same stylist requests, which means someone requests having the same stylist because they like them. And tie it to things like average order value. And if a feature doesn't improve customer confidence, then cut it. There's no need to add extra AI features just for the novelty of having more AI. And for my third recommendation, expand visualization tools gradually with accuracy benchmarks. Stitch Fix's vision is exciting, but if it shows a great outfit that doesn't actually fit, you will never trust the company again. Tie visualization to real accuracy benchmarks, return rate changes, post-purchase satisfaction, things like that. And for my fourth recommendation, which may be the most important, preserve the human style model. as the final quality check. Do not replace human stylists fully with AI. And I think the evidence is very clear that the best results come from AI assisting expert judgment, not replacing it. Human stylists provide trust and a level of emotional connection that algorithms cannot replace. Now, why should you agree with these recommendations? First, because they are not speculation. They are drawn directly from what Stitch Fix itself has already proven. The company's own data shows that retention and order value improved when they strengthened the human side of the service. Second, these recommendations protect the brand's most valuable asset, trust. In fashion retail, driven AI expansion protects that trust. Third, these recommendations focus on what actually drives margin, better inventory decisions, lower return rates, and higher keep rates. That's not just good customer experience, that's good business. Stitch Fix does not need to become a pure AI company, it needs to become the best hybrid company. AI plus human connection. That is their advantage. And these recommendations are the roadmap to get there. So thank you, and keep the human in the loop and let AI do what it does best, assist and not replace. Thank you. Give me an A, please.